Well, hello again. Welcome to Tasty Tutorials. This time I'm going to be teaching you how to make these beautiful and soft crepes. Your kids would love that. And let's go learn how to make them. And so for the crepes, these are the dry ingredients and these are the wet ingredients. We are going to do them separately and then combine them together in the end. So let's go. For the crepes, you're going to need one medium-sized bowl, a whisk, a big one, and one small bowl. Now crack 3 eggs into the bowl. And then just gently poke the yolks so you can mix it easily. So we just need to whisk it. Whisk it. As you can see, they're combined together mostly. So we need to add the rest of the stuff. So we are done mixing. Why do I have a problem with saying whisking? Oh my god, I can't believe it. Now it's time to add the milk. Just whisk it a little bit, combine it together, and the water, and oil, just a little bit, not much. And then whisk it, so it does combine together really nicely. As you can see, the wet ingredients are done. It took me about 3 to 5 minutes. So it's really easy. Now we move on to the dry ingredients. So we need flour. Of course I made a mess. Just a little bit of salt, tiny amount, you can see here, just a little bit. 2 little bags or 16 grams of vanilla sugar goes in, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. So that's it for the dry ingredients. Just mix it a little bit, whisk it, just to combine the ingredients together. So I'm not going to hide anything. I made a mistake. In the beginning of the video, I said 1 medium-sized bowl and 1 small one. So this needs to go into this, and this is the small. So I will just switch the bowl into a bigger one. Sorry for the mistake. So now that I've corrected my mistake and used the bigger bowl, I'm gonna add the liquid ingredients into the dry ingredients. A little bit at a time. Just add 2 or 3 ladles. It's getting really hard to whisk because this whisk is not good at all. I will change it. Wait a second. This one is so much better. Still, I just don't have luck today. Look. I can't believe this. So you can use a hand mixer instead of a whisk. I will try to put this back, hopefully, and then I will continue the video. I figured that I don't need that stuff that fell out. So in my head I was like, no! And problem solved. It was embarrassing, I can tell you that. And as you can see here, the thickness, it's good for now. It's easier to break down the lumps while it's this thick. And meanwhile, while we are adding the rest of the wet ingredients, there will be almost no lumps. As you can see, I'm going really fast. Whisk like your life depends on it. So my concoction is ready. As you can see, it's not really thick, it's thin, but it will make beautiful crepes, I can tell you that. So leave it for about 30 minutes and see you then. After about 30 minutes, you can see it got a little bit thicker than in the beginning. And there are some lumps, but a few of them. So this is good. We also need 1 knife, thin one, 1 spatula, and this thing, I don't know what it's called, to be honest. I don't know what it's called. Please write it down in the comment section. And a little bit of oil. You will need a pan for the crepes that it's really shallow, as you can see here. I think this pan is just meant for the crepes. And put it on maximum heat. And when it's really hot, like just check it here. Don't touch it, you will get burnt. Then we will put oil with this stuff, this thing, I don't know, still don't know how it's called. Please write me the name of this thing in the comment section below. And now I will show you what to do next. The pan got really hot, like it's hot till here, so it's really, really hot. Be careful with that. Now I will just put some oil in, like a little bit, nothing special. Look how hot it is. Just mix this every time before you put in one ladle, like this. Look. Pop, pop, pop. Here we go. Just a round motion. Look. Then you leave it. Just go around with a knife, just half of it, and then go with a spatula. Look, and then bam. This one is a little bit darker than I would like, but it's still really good. Okay, let's repeat it again. Put it, round motion, and if you miss something, just backwards. Hop. So that's that. As you can see here, the crepes are done. They're really thin. They are supposed to be thin, but you can make them thicker if you like. Just put more mixture in the pan. As for the toppings, you can go sweet, you can go like salty. I go sweet usually. I just put a little bit of Nutella and crushed pecans. They are so soft and flimsy that I can barely spread the Nutella over them. Look. And some crushed pecans, you can just crush them in your hand. Here you can really see how soft they are. Look at this. So this is the end of the video, and it's time for me to try the crepes that I made. Let's go. Excellent, excellent. I dare you to make this, especially if you have kids. Kids adore this in our country, in my country. I hope your kid will love this, and you also. And hopefully we see each other in the next video. Bye!